Morning students. I am Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. This is the last class for this chapter, that is the tsunami. We were doing the chapter tsunami, and we have done with the stories from Andaman Nicobar Islands, stories from Thailand, and okay, now this is the last part, and this part states that the animals and their sixth sense. Why it is named as animals and their sixth sense? Because animals have sixth sense. It means that they can feel the waves or the vibrations of the earth in advance, in before it arrives. Okay, so it was strangely observed that a little before the waves struck the coasts of India and Sri Lanka, the animals had some kind of intuition and were reacting strangely. Okay, means on the coastal areas of India and Sri Lanka, okay, whenever the waves struck, okay, so the animals, some kind of means the animals had some kind of intuition, means they get that feelings and were reacting strangely, and they they reacting strangely. The dogs how they like the dogs refused to step outdoors. Dogs refused to step outdoors, means dog doesn't allow their body or themselves to go out. The flamingos refused to come down to low lying breaching areas, and other zoo animals too rushed to their shelters. The flamingos, they refuse to come down at low lying breaching areas, and other animals rush to their shelters. It's believed that perhaps animals could feel the vibrations of the earth. Their acute hearing powers saved them from this massive earthquake under the sea. Since the animals have that God gifted power that they can feel the vibration of the earth, that's why it is termed as the sixth sense of animals. They feel the vibrations of the earth, which it's a power, and it saved them from the massive earthquake. The proof of this is that the giant waves killed more than there is a proof that why animals feel the vibrations of earth in advance, and they save themselves. Why they save themselves? There is a proof that the giant waves killed more than 50,000 people across countries, but hardly any animals were reported dead. You must have seen in the news that so many people were died because of flood or because of heavy rainfalls or tsunamis and all. Thousands and thousands of people swept away by the waves of water, but hardly any animals were reported dead. So it's a proof. The Yala, for example, it's an example. Okay, the Yala National Park and the Patanangal beach in Sri Lanka, 60 visitors were swept away by the waves. From this national park and from this beach in Sri Lanka, 60 visitors were swept away by the waves, but no animal carcasses were found. Carcasses means the remains. Means either the animals can swept the waves, water waves swept away the animals. See, if human being is swept away by the waves of water, he will not be able to take breathe or whatever, because of any reason. Might be possible that he may fall down, or while going through the waves, along with the waves, he can get hurt by the stones or any small rock or whatever that comes in between the waves. Okay, so there is no chance, very least chance, 0.001% chances of human that they can escape from the water, the waves. But animals, if the animals are swept away by the waters, waves of waters, means they simply flow, and after they know how to swim, they can manage themselves. It's a God gift to them. Okay, and though it's a probability, but in advance the animals feel the vibrations of the earth, and they started reacting strangely, and they saved themselves. So no remains were found. It's very strange, because Yala National Park is home. Why I give the Yala National Park example? Because Yala National Park is home to a variety of animals. Means there were a variety of animals lives in the Yala National Park, and more than 30 species of birds were there. But 60 visitors were swept away, and no animal remains were found. No animals got dead. But the human beings, they have okay. So that's why it is mentioned that the animals and their sixth sense, means how the animals save themselves and how they feel the vibrations of the earth, and what reaction do they give. They react strangely, and that's how they save themselves. But human cannot. We cannot feel that tsunami is about to come or earthquake is about to come, but animals can feel this natural disasters incidents. Okay, so that's all for this class. Now from the next class, we will be starting the new chapter. Okay, or might be possible that grammatical part also we can start. So that's all. Okay.